Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we'll discuss how to change default search engine on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open settings. Here click on system preference. Now look for search option. You will get it under search and assistant section. Simply click on this option. Now here we have an option set search engine in Google Chrome browser. Simply click on this option and it will open Google Chrome settings on your Chromebook. Click on search engine and from the search engine, simply click on change button and from the drop down menu, you can select your preferred search engine. After that, simply click on set as default. Here you can see Microsoft Bing has been set as a default search engine on Chromebook. You can also change it to other search engines. So that's it. This is how you can change default search engine in Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.